Got one contract over here, got them all, didn't they? So we've got.
I feel sad for Long Beach because it was kind of unique that it had all the parklets and now everyone's got them.
Yeah,
but I think it's great
know.
for the industry. Imagine if I had a parklet, I think 4th and Olive would have been profitable.
Yeah, yes, absolutely. That was a big thing of what you guys. Well, also Alsatian was a little rough and the space was just huge. I think if we would have been able to break up the space into different like divisions or revenue streams, that would have been good.
Well, the parklet's also
the
marketing.
outdoor,
it tells everyone there's a restaurant there.
Well, and the outdoor, everybody wants outdoor, right?
Yeah.
You're in Southern California.
There's
Why
so
would
much
anybody
space
want to go
outdoor
inside?
in there. Like if we had a parklet, we could have had 80 other seats.
One of the reasons why I like to go to Inc. instead of Happy Diners because we can eat outside. Actually,
Inc.
The breakfast joint. It's over on 6th. Super basic. Isn't it called Inc? Think? Inc?
Think.
No, it's not Think. Think is the steakhouse.
No, that's Think Cafe though.
Oh, perfect. Then that's the one. Yeah, Think, not Inc.
Oh, I might need to pop bottles or two.
There.
We are struggling with our wipers.
Okay.
And the back wipers also ineffective.
Do they have COVID?
Ink. I like ink. What? What? You're just making shit up now, Kristen. Making shit up. Look at that Mustang.
Oh, yeah.
My ears are dirty.
I know. We're actually going right now. One of the things I'm going to do at Target is remedy that.
Gonna get nail clippers,
Yeah.
sweetie.
Yeah, because Mommy will do it tomorrow. Mommy will do it tomorrow.
We can do it today.
I was doing great. I ate, put food in my belly, and all of a sudden, I'm like, now I've got a hangover.
I'll do it tomorrow.
Oh, jeez. Like a bad one?
I'll do it
I got a headache. I'm going to sleep, and I know I'll be able to sleep.
tomorrow.
Right, let's stay night broke me home. Went to little napskins today. Oh, or at Home Depot, we might as well get a tank for propane too. It's gonna be fun cooking outside, setting it all up.
Oh, we need a fan.
Okay. So we need a stand-up fan. I wonder if Target or Home Depot would be better for that.
Well, I can take a look. I bet you Target has more options, but they're more expensive.
Like probably less quality, frankly. Like,
What, sweetie? You want to go in a store? Yeah, we can go in a store. You're welcome. I like you credit for that.
all things being equal, the box fan would do just fine.
Okay.
We just need to find the feet for it and replace that fan that's there probably with a new fan.
Mm-hmm.
Well, that box fan does move a lot of air.
Yep, we stop at a red light and now we go at a green. Green means go.
Green, 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 purple, 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 red, 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 green, 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 green. What color's the light, Charlie? What color's the light in front of us?
What?
Yes, that's correct.
Good job.
What color is it now?
Green.
What does that mean?
Go.
That's right.
That was Helly Partner.
Howdy, partner.
Helly Partner. My name's Sheriff Woody.
Sheriff Woody to the rescue.
I also want to get exterior white paint to do the trim on the garage.
I think we have that already.
Okay. And one of those
Yeah.
ones that's one of the cans that's by the door that.
Where's your boy ball?
It should be super easy to do. 'Cause
Yes.
It's elevated. We don't need to tape anything off.
Yes.
Just run a roller across everything.
Yes, a couple of times.
Where's your watch?
Hardest part's going to be working underneath that
My watch is at home.
that wisteria.
Well, no, and that's why I want to do it now.
Sure.
Because the leaves fall off in the winter, so that's fine.
Well, get a little paint on it, a little paint on it.
Yeah, exactly. So I'm totally cool with it.
Your watch is at the boy store. That's where your watch is. That's where your watch is.
No, it's not. It's at home, love.
I have to put my watch back on after our post-marital copulations. After our sexual congress.
My watch is at home too, Mom. May I watch? May I watch?
You do have a watch, buddy.
What
kind of watch do you have?
Spider-Man.
Yes, you do.
It was white and it was on and off. It was on and off.
Mm-hmm.
Hey guys, that's a perfect place to check.
I'm going to drive a cart. I'm going to drive a cart.
They don't have them out. It doesn't look like. Oh, they do.
Alright, well, let's bring it. No, we're gonna put. You guys are gonna be in the stroller, in the wagon, or you just want to leave it in here.
I'm going in the
No.
driver's seat. I'm going in the car. In the
Hey,
driver's
Charlie, slow it
What?
down.
We each